Your insurance appeal was denied again, and now the letter says final decision. So what happens now? When your internal appeals are exhausted, you still have options. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through external reviews and regulator complaints, what they are, how they work, and how to use them properly. This is general information, not legal advice, and rules vary by location and policy. What is an external review? An external review, sometimes called an independent review, is a formal second look at your claim by a neutral third party. This reviewer does not work for your insurance company and has no financial relationship with them. They examine the policy language, the evidence in your file, the denial reasoning, any additional documentation you submit. In many health insurance cases, the insurer is legally bound by the external reviewer's decision. For other types of claims, the rules vary. The key difference from an internal appeal is independence. This is not the same company reviewing itself. It's outside oversight. The four-step external review process. Step 1. Confirm eligibility. Most external review processes require that you have completed your insurer's internal appeal process first. You'll also need to meet eligibility criteria. These often involve coverage disputes, medical necessity decisions, experimental treatment denials, certain dollar thresholds. Check your final denial letter. It usually explains whether you qualify and how to apply. You can also check your policy documents or your state's insurance department website. Step 2. Gather your documentation. Before submitting anything, organize your file. Include your original denial letter, the final internal appeal denial, relevant policy pages, medical records, repair reports, or supporting evidence, any new documentation not previously considered. If you don't already have your full claim file, request it in writing. Organize everything chronologically so the reviewer can clearly follow what happened. Step 3. File before the deadline. Deadlines matter. In many situations, you may have between 60 and 180 days from the date of your final internal denial to request an external review. These are general ranges and can vary. Some cases qualify for expedited review, particularly when health or safety could be seriously affected by delays. Mark the deadline clearly and submit well before it. Step 4. Understand the review timeline. Standard external reviews often take around 45 to 60 days. Expedited reviews may take only a few days. During this period, both you and the insurance company may submit additional information. Then the independent reviewer issues a decision. Regulator and ombudsman complaints. Separate from external review, you can also file a complaint with your insurance regulator or ombudsman. These are oversight bodies that supervise insurance companies. They focus on whether procedures were followed, whether laws or regulations were violated, whether unfair practices occurred. They generally do not directly decide whether your claim should be paid. Instead, they investigate conduct and compliance. Regulator complaint timelines commonly range from 30 to 90 days, though complex cases can take longer. Regulator complaints are often most effective when you believe procedures weren't followed, you suspect unfair handling, communication has broken down. There may be broader compliance issues. 3 common escalation mistakes. Mistake number 1. Incomplete documentation. Submitting a rushed or partial file weakens your position. Gather everything first. Mistake number 2. Missing deadlines. External reviews operate on strict time limits. Missing one can permanently close that path. Mistake number 3. Emotional accusations without evidence. Stay firm but factual. External reviewers focus on documentation, not frustration. Pre-submission checklist. Before filing an external review or regulator complaint, make sure you have your complete claim file, all denial letters and appeal correspondence, relevant policy excerpts highlighted, a clear timeline of events, any additional supporting evidence, a concise written summary explaining why you believe the denial was incorrect. Your written summary should explain what happened, what you are requesting, and which policy language or evidence supports your position. Clarity strengthens credibility. Final perspective. External reviews and regulator complaints don't guarantee success, but they do guarantee oversight. They introduce independent evaluation into a process that was previously handled internally by the insurer. If your appeal was denied again, don't assume the door is closed. Make sure you understand your remaining options and the applicable deadlines. In the next video, I'll break down when professional help, such as an attorney or public adjuster, actually makes sense, and how to evaluate whether it's worth it in your situation. If your appeal has been denied again, comment below what type of claim it is, property, auto, or health, and how long you've been dealing with it. You're not alone in this process, and there are still steps you can take. And as always, thanks for watching.